Hello everybody, today I'm gonna cook the classic honey king prawn. Now, the ingredient we need, prawn. I have about 400 grams of tiger prawn peeled with tails. Now for those that don't want to use that, you can use pre-peeled king prawn in a pack. It doesn't matter. I like to use the tiger prawn. You can use any other type of prawn or shrimp, that's enough. Okay, and honey, 2 eggs, and mixtures of flour. What I use is half a cup of self-raising flour mixed with 2 tablespoons of corn flour. And I will show you how to do it. Honey prawn, I wok, a cup of cooking oil, which is about 250 ml. This recipe, I'm not using thick butter. I'm just coating the prawn with the flour, so we don't need that much oil. Prawn, dip into our egg, and then into our flour. Make sure it's only using one hand, so you can keep the other hand nice and clean. Try not to put too many prawn in at the same time. Don't want the prawn to become overcooked the butter. Turn down our heat a little bit so the prawn doesn't get overly cooked too quickly. We have fried our prawn. The next thing we're gonna do is make our honey sauce. Honey sauce is actually quite easy to make, unbeknownst to people. First thing first, heat up our wok, 250 ml or a cup of water. Let the water boil. As our water starting to boil, we put our honey. You can use any type of honey. Because it's honey prawn, we want to taste honey in there. So we use quite a bit. I would say you use about 3 or 4 tablespoons of honey. You want to melt like it's sweet or have a sweet tooth, perhaps you can add about 1 tablespoon of sugar in there, but normally I wouldn't. The interesting thing about honey water, when it boils, you will start to see this brownish yellow bubble. We put in our thickener. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in about 100 ml of water. Let it thicken up before we put our prawn in. As you can see, now our sauce is thick and gluey. That's when we put our prawn in to coat our honey prawn. Off the heat now. That way you don't burn your sauce and honey prawn. Finally, we garnish with sesame seeds.